Imagine a world transformed into a vibrant canvas, painted with colors of joy and celebration. Welcome to Holi, the festival of colors. In the heart of spring, when blossoms decorate the trees and the air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, there erupts a kaleidoscope of colors that dyes the world in hues of happiness and camaraderie. This is the atmosphere of Holi, an Indian festival that celebrates the victory of good over evil and the arrival of spring. It's as if Mother Nature herself has taken up a palette and brush, splashing hues of red, green, yellow, and blue across the landscape. The sky rains colors as people throw gulal, the colored powders, into the air and at each other. Laughter rings out as vibrant as the colors that adorn the faces of the revelers. But Holi is not just a festival of colors, it's a symphony of joyous sounds. The beat of the dhol, a traditional Indian drum, reverberates through the air, its rhythm enticing people to dance. Songs, both old and new, add to the festive ambience, while the chatter of excited voices weaves a tapestry of shared joy and celebration. The joy of Holi is not confined to the young or the old, the rich or the poor. It's a universal celebration, a day when differences are set aside and everyone becomes a part of the colorful tapestry. Children, their faces smeared with colors, run around gleefully, while adults immerse themselves in the spirit of the festival, their laughter echoing through the streets. And amidst the riot of colors and sounds, there's a sweetness that lingers in the air. The aroma of traditional sweets being shared, the taste of festive delicacies, the warmth of friends and family gathered together. It's a sweetness that speaks of love, unity, and the joy of shared experiences. This is Holi, a festival that paints not just the streets but also the hearts with colors of happiness and love. The roots of Holi delve deep into the rich soil of Indian mythology and culture. This vibrant festival of colors can trace its origins back to ancient times, with its first mentions in old scriptures and depictions in age-old sculptures. The festival of Holi, as we know it today, has evolved over centuries, but its essence, its spirit, remains deeply rooted in its ancient origins. The earliest references to Holi are found in ancient religious texts, including the Puranas, Narad Purana, and Bhavishya Purana. Even the famous Indian poet Kalidasa in the 4th century mentioned Holi in his lyrical drama, Ritu Samhara. These ancient texts and scriptures provide glimpses of Holi as a festival of colors, celebrating the arrival of spring and the renewal of life. Delving into the mythology behind Holi, we encounter the legend of Prahlad and Holika, which forms the very core of Holi's significance. The tale narrates the story of Prahlad, a prince who was a devout follower of Lord Vishnu. His father, King Hiranyakashipu, however, was an arrogant ruler who demanded everyone to worship him instead. When Prahlad refused to do so, the king decided to kill his son, with the help of his wicked sister Holika. Holika had a special cloak that protected her from fire. She tricked Prahlad into sitting on a pyre with her, planning to let the flames consume him while she remained unscathed. However, as the fire roared, the cloak flew from Holika and covered Prahlad, saving him while Holika perished. This tale symbolizes the triumph of good over evil and the undying faith of a devotee. The ritual of Holika Dahan, where large bonfires are lit on the eve of Holi, commemorates this mythological event and marks the victory of good over evil. People gather around the fire, sing and dance, kicking off the Holi celebrations. Thus, from ancient times, Holi has been a celebration of life, love, and the victory of good over evil. This beautiful festival, with its roots steeped in ancient traditions and legends, continues to bring joy, camaraderie, and a riot of colors to people across the world. Holi is not just a riot of colors, it's a festival with profound cultural and social significance. In the heart of India's vibrant cultural tapestry, Holi holds a place of immense importance. More than just a festival of colors, it's a celebration that breaks barriers and unites people from all walks of life. A day when differences in caste, creed, and social status dissolve into the vibrant hues of Holi colors. The festival of Holi embodies the spirit of social harmony. It's a time when old grudges are forgotten and new friendships are formed. Holi is a testament to India's age-old tradition of unity and diversity. As people smear each other with colors, they celebrate the joy of togetherness, embracing the diversity that makes their society unique. But Holi is more than a social equalizer. It's also a celebration of nature's own canvas, the arrival of spring. As winter recedes and spring breathes life into the earth, Holi mirrors this transformation with its explosion of colors. The vibrancy of red, yellow, green, and blue mimics the blossoming flowers, the clear skies, and the lush fields that mark the arrival of spring. It's a tribute to nature's renewal, a celebration of life itself. The festival of Holi also carries a profound message of hope and new beginnings. The burning of the Holika, a symbol of all things negative, signifies the triumph of good over evil. It's a reminder that no matter how long the night, dawn will break. And with dawn comes the promise of a new day, a fresh start. This message resonates deeply in the hearts of the people, giving them the courage to face life's challenges. In essence, Holi is a festival that transcends the conventional boundaries of society. It's a day when the rich and the poor, the young and the old, come together to celebrate life, love, and the joy of being human. Holi, hence, is a beautiful blend of vibrant colors and profound social messages. Holi is a festival that embraces a myriad of traditions and customs. This vibrant celebration is painted with rituals that have been carried down generations, each adding a unique hue to the colorful canvas of Holi. A crucial tradition is the burning of the Holika bonfire on the eve of Holi, a ritual that marks the triumph of good over evil. This tradition originates from the legend of Prahlad and Holika, reminding us of the indomitable spirit of righteousness. As families gather around the bonfire, they pray for their loved ones' well-being, casting off their worries into the flames. With the break of dawn, the air fills with a riot of colors. The tradition of throwing colored powders known as gulal and water balloons is a cherished part of Holi. Friends, family, and even strangers smear each other with colors, symbolizing the breaking down of social barriers and the celebration of unity and inclusivity. It's a scene of pure joy, where the vibrant colors reflect the spirit of love and togetherness. Holi is not just a visual spectacle, but a sensory experience, filled with the sound of laughter, the splash of colors, and the melody of traditional songs. Singing and dancing to the rhythm of dolaks and Holi songs is a time-honored tradition. These songs, passed down through generations, are the heartbeat of Holi, echoing the joy and fervor of the festival. Of course, no celebration is complete without a feast. Holi is marked by the preparation of special sweets and drinks. Gujiyas, sweet dumplings filled with koya and dry fruits, are a staple. Then there's thandai, a refreshing drink often infused with bhang, giving the festivities an added zest. Each tradition, from the bonfire to the colors, from the songs to the sweets, is steeped in symbolism and cultural significance. They weave together to form the vibrant tapestry of Holi, creating memories that linger long after the colors have washed away. Each tradition, each ritual, adds a unique shade to the colorful palette of Holi. Holi is not just a one-day event, it's a phenomenon that leaves a lasting impact. As we wrap up our exploration of Holi, let's take a moment to reflect on the vibrant tapestry we've uncovered. We've journeyed through the riotous colors that paint the atmosphere of Holi, a spectacle that echoes the joy and exuberance of life itself. It's a festival that turns the world into a canvas, splashed with hues of happiness and love, where each color tells a story, and each story adds to the richness of the festival. We've delved into the ancient origins of Holi, tracing its roots back to mythology and folklore. We've seen how this festival has stood the test of time, evolving and adapting, yet always retaining its essence. It's a testament to the enduring power of tradition and the timeless appeal of a good story. We've also examined the significance of Holi. Beyond the colors and the revelry, Holi is a celebration of good over evil, of hope over despair. It's a time to let go of past grievances, to mend broken relationships, and to start afresh. Holi is an invitation to embrace positivity and to make peace with our past. Finally, we've looked at the varied traditions of Holi. From the playful throwing of colored powders to the delightful feasts, each tradition adds a unique flavor to the festival. These customs, passed down through generations, are the threads that weave together the fabric of Holi, making it a vibrant tapestry of cultural diversity. Holi transcends boundaries. It brings people together regardless of their age, gender, social status, or cultural background. It's a festival that fosters unity, promotes understanding, and encourages mutual respect. It's a time when differences are forgotten and everyone comes together to celebrate life in all its colorful glory. Holi, the festival of colors, is a celebration of life itself, painting the world with hues of joy, love, and unity.
We hope you enjoy our video, and if you want to know more interesting facts on more different topics, then please show us some love with a like, share and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.